Luscombe Mitsubishi is proud to present the superb Mitsubishi Shogun long wheelbase SG3. Again in the granite brown as well, popular colour. Again standard with the full leather interior, front heated seats, again dual climate control system, hands-free Bluetooth, and again with your cruise control on the vehicle as well. Again, it says full leather interior, superb condition, well looked after vehicle. Shogun long wheelbase consists of 7 seats, great interior boot space, and also comes with the Rockford Fosgate system as standard on this vehicle model. So again, superb sound. If you'd like to arrange a viewing and a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and our sales team will be more than happy to help you.